dino siblings. Adi enjoyed messing with his little dino sister Dip all the time. He would pull her tail, make faces at her, and pinch her randomly. Dip would cry and complain to their parents. One day Dip got really upset and hid from Adi in the forest. But there she lost her way. Not seeing Dip for so long got Adi worried and went about looking for her. Worried about his little sister's safety, Adi took a sigh of relief when he spotted Dip sitting on a rock crying. He ran up to her and tightly hugged her. In that moment, Dip realized that notorious Adi really loved and cared for her, but messed with her just for fun. She decided not to complain to their parents again, since siblings may fight, but they love each other and should stick together as a team always. Overconfidence is harmful. In the middle of the forest, a group of dinosaurs was huddled together. On approaching the group, it was visible that they were surrounding a fellow dinosaur, Mike, the fastest runner in the forest. While everyone was warming up for the race that was to begin soon, Mike lazed around. A dino asked, "Why aren't you preparing?" Mike laughed and said, "I don't need to. I am going to win anyway." Soon the race began. Mike, being the fastest, was ahead of every other participating dinosaur. But soon he started to run out of breath and slowed down. Other dinosaurs overtook Mike and ultimately he lost. Unable to understand how he lost, he sat under the shade of a tree when the winner came up to him and said, "You let overconfidence overpower your confidence and talent. Never stop working hard, lest a winner should turn into a loser." Looks can be deceptive. Fred was a Fabrosaurus dinosaur. A herbivore, he enjoyed eating ferns and other vegetation. Fred was a small dinosaur, but he was fierce and knew just how to use his sharp teeth in defense. Once, a pair of Tyrannosaurus dinosaurs spotted Fred munching on plants near their cave. They rushed towards him and threatened him of dire consequences for eating their plants. Fred politely apologized and said, "These plants are neither yours nor mine, so you can't stop me from feeding on them." The Tyrannosaurus dinosaurs whispered, "He is so tiny, we can easily beat him. Let's attack." Fred jumped out of their way and tried to make peace, but the pair didn't listen. When they charged again, Fred attacked too. He dug his sharp teeth in the neck of one of the Tyrannosaurus dinosaurs. Squirming in pain, they ran yelling, but he looked so small and harmless. Help those in need. A wide river passed through the middle of the forest. Around the time the sun set, each evening every dinosaur in the forest could be found there relaxing. One evening, as the groups of dinosaurs crowded the river, a little dinosaur baby found herself separated from her family. Weeping uncontrollably, she stood close to a tree calling out for her mother. Megan and Maya saw the little one and rushed towards her. Megan, a Brachiosaurus dinosaur, lifted the baby and placed her on the top of her long neck and said, "Now look for your family." The baby looked around and spotted her father at some distance. Immediately, all three of them rushed towards the family and met baby dinosaur's father. Everyone thanked Megan and Maya and they said, "To help, one just needs the desire to do so. Nothing else is so important."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.